This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Muckle-Williams. Pretty brick Cape Cod with covered front porch. Hardwood floors in most rooms. Large den with sliding glass doors to the outside deck. Kitchen with ceramic floors and some new stainless steel appliances. Good-sized bedrooms and a full bath on each level. 1 car attached garage. Dual-zoned heating and air conditioner appx. 6 years old. Come see it for yourself and bring all offers. For more information, review the details below or contact Muckle-Williams at 757-638-5700.